traveled to Healing Hands in Pune from Canada 3 months ago. I had a recurring fistula since July 2022. I went through 8 procedures, a mix of incision drainages and fistulotomies, ceton placements. None of them were successful. And after exhausting all the options in Canada, I did my research and I found out about Healing Hands. It was actually a YouTube video of a lady from Canada who came to Healing Hands, and she was cured and she looked extremely happy. So I was kind of confident after seeing this video, and then I did more research and I saw Dr. Porwal's videos as well. And within 2 weeks, I flew to Pune and I had my surgery done. Within the first day, I met him, and it's been amazing. All I can say is, so 3 months later, I'm fistula free now. So I had my first consultation with Dr.Ashwin Porwal when I flew to Pune, and after our initial conversation and after he assessed what I had, my fistula, he explained what was going on. Within just like 2 minutes, he could show me everything, like where my fistula was and how so like when I came in, I had a ceton on, and then it was just in the wrong spot, which is why I kept getting abscesses each time, even with the ceton. And it was just speaking to him, it was just incredible. He was so confident that he could cure me. I couldn't really believe it at first. When I first heard it, he said, "You will be 100% healed eventually." That was just a lot to take in. I was really overwhelmed. I had a moment, I had tears. Yeah, it was just the way he was speaking about it and how he knew that he could treat it. It was amazing. I didn't get that in Canada. None of my surgeons were confident that I can heal. Actually, after my 8th surgery over there, they said I might have to live with it forever. So just trust me, take a leap of faith, and travel to Healing Hands Pune. There is a solution right here, and you can be cured. Dr. Porwal will solve all your problems, so please do come to Healing Hands.